Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my vlog channel. I should not be saying good morning because it is definitely 2 p.m. in the afternoon. You guys should just expect this from me by now. I woke up at 1 and I have a main channel video, the first main channel video that I've posted in 2 weeks, going up in 1 minute, literally 1 minute, 1:59. So it's going up at 2 p.m. I'm really excited. I spent 4 hours editing it last night and stayed up till 3:30 in the morning editing. My brain is a little fried, but I wanted to vlog today. I've been going with friends for like a really long time, and I don't think I'm gonna hang out with any friends today. I think I'm gonna chill at my house and hang out with my family, which I'm actually excited to do. So I figured I'd vlog this because I have a lot of things that I need to get done in my room, around the house, that kind of thing. And I just wanted to talk to you guys and give you guys some updates. If you're new, hi, welcome to the vlog channel. Subscribe. We hit 150K on this channel, which is so cool. I'm so excited about that. I love my vlog channel because I feel like we are so close together and I feel like we're best friends, which is awesome. And I talk to you guys about the randomest things, and I feel like the people who watch the vlog channel have more of like an insight on my life than just my main channel. I just love it. So thank you for subscribing. Click the bell if you want to know every time I post. But I'm about to go upstairs. Oh, my video posted. Okay, I don't think there's gonna be comments because you guys know YouTube disables the comments on my main channel, but I'm really excited. First video up in 2 weeks. I'm gonna go upstairs, say hi to my family because I haven't seen anyone today, and do my laundry. This is my laundry basket. It's really full with clothes right now, and she's got to get done. I don't know why it's so dark in my room right now. Probably because I have no lights on. It's 3 and I'm now having a donut. My mom was getting groceries and then got Dunkin' Donuts, and I'm really excited because I try not to eat donuts, especially not for breakfast, even though it is 3 p.m. It's just because it's so much sugar, and I feel like personally, I don't do well if I eat a lot of sugar, especially in the morning, but it's 3 p.m., so I'm letting myself. I talked to my parents for a little bit. I did my laundry. My brothers are playing Fortnite, as usual. The blue light glasses have arrived. So I think I figured something out about myself. You guys know I wear my blue light glasses all the time because I'm constantly staring at a screen, whether it's editing, filming, going on social media. It hurts my eyes so badly, and I know it's gonna not be good for me when I'm like 80 years old and can't see because I stare at a screen all day. I just don't look good in square blue light glasses, or just square glasses in general. Just square glasses in general, I feel like do not fit my face shape properly. And I have a pair of circle blue light glasses that I love so much, but I left them in the mountains, and the thing about them is they got really stretched out, so they don't fit my face too well anymore. So now I'm like stuck using these, and I feel like I just look like a grandma. No offense to any grandmas, but like, can you tell I've not done anything today? I don't know if anyone else's parents do this. This is really funny. I can go out for like a certain period of time and hang out with friends for a certain amount of time, and then I have to be home. Like if I hang out with friends 2 days in a row, there has to be a break day. Like I can't go out 3 days in a row. That's pushing it. So today is that day. Also, I'm gonna tell you something really disgusting. I'm just gonna expose myself really quick. Let me get out of my bed. I hate shaving my legs. I do it not too frequently. I should probably do it more. I hadn't shaved my legs for probably 2 weeks. And the thing is, my leg hair is blonde because I'm blonde. So it doesn't really show up that much. It doesn't bother me that much. I shave when I want to. Yesterday, I felt the need to shave my legs. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. And I cut a chunk out of my leg. Like a full chunk of skin came out of my leg from me shaving with a razor. So I'm gonna show you. And if you are absolutely disgusted, please look away. You probably will be. But I'm really scared because it hurts really bad, and it might be my bone that's showing. Final warning. Like, what in the world did I do? No one needs to see all that, but please tell me what I can do to make it go away because it's a little concerning. Also, I have so many random products in my shower that I just don't use, and I found this Clean and Clear face wash that I used to use, and this is so bad for your skin. We've made big money moves already, and we've upgraded. This is so much better for you. But I'm gonna give this to my brother, one of them, whichever one wants it, because they always ask me for face wash. So I'm just gonna let them finish the rest of this. They don't really have acne yet, so they can use it, it's fine. But I was like, whoa, Hiram would kill me if he saw me using this. So I went upstairs to give that face wash to my brother Chase, and my mom bought new toothbrushes. So I'm getting a new English, Katie. I'm getting a new toothbrush. This one's really pretty. I literally had the same one but in pink, but she's a little rough looking now. I'm actually going to be buying bamboo toothbrushes because I know plastic ones are not good for the environment, and I'm really trying to step up my environmentally friendly gang. I just feel like I can do my part and be better at that. So I really want to buy bamboo toothbrushes. I already did the laundry. I have to clean my room. My dresser broke and we literally, like, this drawer never shuts because it's so full. This dresser broke and just doesn't open here. That was my dresser with all my big t-shirts. So now all my big t-shirts are just chilling on the floor because my dresser won't open. I really need to get my dad to fix that for me because they're just chilling on the floor and it's just not appealing. It just doesn't look good in the room. I never show out my windows, but y'all, it looks kind of pretty right now. Out here it's a little sunny, so I made a pool reservation at the community pool. My brothers and I to see if they want to go. They are probably not gonna want to go because they never want to go anywhere, but I'm gonna force them. I just want to lay and listen to music, and I'm charging my JBL right now, and I'm gonna choose a bikini from the bikini bucket. Some of these I still haven't even worn, which makes me sad because, like, I always gravitate towards the same ones. So I'm wearing the blue bikini. It's really, really pretty color. I like it a lot. I'm feeling a little bit bloated, but I really like this bikini color. It's super pretty. And our reservation's in like 30 minutes. Filming myself in a bikini makes me uncomfortable. I'm just like, hey, how you doing? I'm chilling at the pool and homeboy won't get off his phone and didn't even go in. I have very lame brothers, but also these people are blaring music. But, oh, that guy. He just backflopped. Why did everyone just applaud him? So I'm obviously back from the pool. We only ended up being there for like an hour and a half. And then I've just been chilling here, trying to learn my cheer tryout dance, chants, and like the long cheer. How they're doing tryouts is they sent out like all videos of everything that you have to learn, and they sent them out like a day ago. There's 2 like tryout dates, and you go in for one or the other, and then you try out, and that's how they're doing it. So it's like less people all together. So I'm currently learning one of the cheers. I'll be trying out for varsity sideline this year, and I've been on freshman sideline and JV sideline, so you can't make anything but your grade. So if I don't make varsity sideline, then I just don't cheer. And the thing is, they have a limited amount of uniforms because of COVID, and they can't get any more. And there's a lot of girls trying out for varsity because it's both juniors and seniors. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I didn't make it. I would be sad, but like, I understand. Also, we don't even know if we're gonna have a football season, so yeah, I'm just gonna try and learn this now. I'm a little sweaty now, but I learned the 30-second cheer. That one was really easy, honestly, once I got down with it. I'm gonna learn the dance tomorrow. Me and Bella are supposed to meet up and practice together because the videos just came out, and she asked me, and I was like, sure, we can practice together. That will honestly probably be in this vlog, because I haven't done much. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wow, this is not a good look for me. Welcome back to day 2 of this vlog. It is 1 p.m. and I woke up 5 minutes ago. And since then, I have brushed my teeth. I also woke up and it was Shark Week, woohoo! So, you know, I don't have any cramps yet, which normally I cramp really, really bad on my period. But you guys don't want to hear about that. Bella's coming over. She just texted me if I wanted anything from Starbucks, which is really sweet. I love her to death. And like I said, we are going to hang out and probably practice our cheers. She's been up since like 9 a.m. I just woke up. I should probably put pants on because I'm not wearing any. But I'm gonna go tell my mom that she's coming over because she has no idea. So I thought I'd update you guys. Welcome to my daily morning routine. So I just had a really good conversation with my mom, actually. I just went upstairs to tell them like, hey, Bella's coming over. And I ended up just talking to my mom for a second. But I just put on little clothes. This is not an outfit at all. This is just what I'm gonna be wearing today. You know, it's that time of the month. I'm not really feeling it. So we just have this cropped tee, which is literally from Walmart. I just cut it like that, and then just black Nike shorts. I'll probably put socks on, but I think we're gonna stay here and just learn the cheer and the dance because the weather's going in and out. Like sometimes it's sunny, but then it's cloudy. It's also supposed to rain today, so I don't really know. Guys, we have more progress. My dad tried to fix my broken drawer here. It still will not open any more than this. So we had to take out my pants drawer and my socks and underwear drawer, and I went through all my socks and underwear, and I finally like can close this drawer, which is good. What was I saying? Oh, I need to get socks. I'll just wear these ones. These are like really ugly tie-dye. Bella got us food, which is really sweet. I thought she was just gonna get Starbucks, but she got us food, which is really cool. Supposedly they had a nationwide lemonade shortage at Starbucks, which if you guys don't know, I get an iced green tea with lemonade and I literally love it. Like I've been getting that drink for forever and I haven't had it in a while, so I decided to get that today. So they had a lemonade shortage, so she couldn't get lemonade, which is totally fine. So when she was at Chick-fil-A, she got me lemonade, which is what I normally get, and she was like, you can put the lemonade from the Chick-fil-A into your drink from Starbucks. It's really funny. Basically, I'll see you when she gets here. Hi guys! Hello. Long time no see. So here's my venti
iced green tea, Chick-fil-A lemonade to put inside of it. National lemonade shortage at Starbucks. Fun fact, anybody? It's okay.
Sad.
We're chilling and then we're gonna have to learn. Bella already learned them and didn't even tell me. So
Well, my
I'm gonna
mom
be
is strict,
struggling.
so
I'm
she
gonna be
made me.
struggling over here while she's just like.
If I even remember them.
But she also brought us nuggies, which is really cute. I don't think I've ever had Chick-fil-A sauce. It looks like honey mustard. Oh, that looks pretty good. What does it taste like?
It's like a mix of like everything.
We'll see you guys when we have to learn these cheers. So that was my little day. I ended up hanging out with Bella literally like the entire day. She just left. It's now 6:15, and the haul from my thrift shopping and me like doing a thrift flip will be coming in a main channel video, which I'm actually really excited about, because when I asked you guys what videos you want to see, so many people said a thrift flip or thrift shopping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had a lot of fun filming this one, especially today. Yesterday it was kind of like crazy Katie. I hope you had an amazing day. Subscribe if you are new. Follow all my socials. Subscribe to my main channel. Go watch my new main channel video. I read y'all's crazy DMs and they were very interesting. With that being said, I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Peace in the Middle East. I love you.